Yo, what's up guys, Z2 finally here again with a new video. Sorry that I haven't been uploading recently. I've just been trying to get used to this new keyboard joystick that I got, and I've been relearning all of my binds and confirm edit on release. The two main reasons why I wanted to start using the keyboard joystick is because 360 movement in Fortnite is insane. With the joystick you're going to be much more precise and fast with your movement because WASD doesn't have all the angles that the joystick does. Now that I'm using 360 movement, it's a lot easier for me to move between builds and edits. Also, if you're in a box 50-50ing someone, it's going to be a lot harder for them to keep track of you since you're going to be moving around them so easily. The other main reason why I wanted to switch to the keyboard joystick is because you don't have to press WASD anymore to move, and that frees up a lot of binds since all your moving binds is just going to be on your thumb. Freeing up WASD allowed me to get optimal binds so I don't have to switch between building or editing while I'm moving left and right. There's also a keyboard that has 360 movement in it, but I would still prefer the joystick over this just because you don't have to press WASD anymore. The only bad thing that came with the keyboard joystick is I had to relearn most of my binds. The only binds that I kept were my wall and ramp, which were on my mouse buttons, but other than that I switched everything out. But the learning curve for moving with the joystick was actually pretty easy. Now that I'm used to the keyboard joystick and my new binds, I'm going to show you guys some clips that I have with it, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video.
I hit that man for 104.
I'm going up.
Chilling.
69 white. On soccer screen.
90 on my guy. Wait for 90. How do you get to your skin shot? Can you even get it anymore? Good shot. Nice, bro. Dog. He's like 125 HP. Good edit. Nice, bro. Oh.
Got 80.
Full box
Edit.
Covered up. How'd you on this kid? Box?
Nice. Going over. Yo, 1-2. One can go far. 40, yeah, that's good.
Shot. Oh, I coned it. Oh my. You got hordes.
We're in a big.